sounds. So mainly we have first heart sound and second heart sound. First heart sound is due to closure of atrioventricular valves, whereas second heart sound is due to closure of semilunar valves. This first heart sound is approximately a duration of 0.15 seconds of cardiac cycle. This is 0.12 seconds. The frequency of first heart sound is 25 to 45 hertz, and this is 50 hertz. This first heart sound is long duration and soft. This is short and high pitched sound. So S1 is due to atrioventricular closing, S2 is due to semilunar. You have to remember the duration. First heart sound is 0.15 seconds because it is long and its frequency is less compared to the other one. Duration of second heart sound is 0.12 second, but the frequency is 50 hertz.